Christmas and a prosperous new year ahead. Today it is light fruit cake. It is not so dense as usual you'd expect from a fruit cake, and also it is light in color. Let's go make it happen. To make this light fruit cake, did I mention it's not so sweet? Here are some of the ingredients that I would prep. The fruits, mixed fruits, I have removed the dirty particles and I have soaked it. Please watch the previous video on how I did it. And so here is the fruit and the liquid. This is like half a cup to 3/4 cup. 1 heaped cup of dates. I rinsed it, removed the pit, rinsed it again, and then cut it into small pieces. To the dates, I've added the liquid I got from soaking the fruits I showed you earlier on. I'm going to mix it together and allow it to sort of soak. Coconut, dry coconut. It's too big. I'm going to run it through a food processor. It shouldn't be so tiny, just chunks, and this is what I'm working with. Zest and juice of 2 oranges. From it you should get 3/4 cup to 1/4 cup of the juice. Zest of 2 lemons. For the juice you may decide to use one or use both, it all depends on you. Zest and juice. I have here baking powder, salt and the spices. I'm going to take it and pour it inside the flour. The flour has already been sifted. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of allspice. If you don't have, you can make yours at home. I will include it in the description box. I will be creaming the margarine and the sugar together. I used vegetable oil, a 1/4 cup. The margarine is 3/4 cup, and I'm using brown sugar. Technically, the fat and the oil is 1 cup. Start by adding the margarine or the butter, whichever you are using, and I'm going to soften it a bit or cream it alone. Pour in the vegetable oil and mix everything together. It's done this way. I like what oil does to cakes. It should be used moderately though. Pour in the sugar. Time to add in the eggs. I'm using 6 eggs. I'm going to break the eggs, and then I'm adding almond flavor to it. 2 teaspoons of almond. Since I couldn't get the almond itself, you can use any other flavor that you like, butterscotch preferably. Stir the eggs gently. Put in some of the eggs, not all. Let me add a little bit more. Whisk it in. If you have an electric mixer, go ahead and use it. Add the rest of the eggs. I changed the bowl for obvious reasons. It was small. I'm going to add like half of the flour for now so I don't over mix. I'm going to fold it in. It's not properly mixed together. That's the lemon zest. The orange zest goes in too. I'm going to fold it in with the rest of the flour. This is to prevent over mixing and you get a dense cake. So fold it in gently. Usually it will not be 100% folding in. As I said, we don't want a dense cake. Right now, I'm going to pour in the orange and the lemon juice. Fold it in a bit. To add the dates I soaked for a few minutes. Fruits goes inside and the nuts, coconuts. You could use any other nuts you have, like almond. Fold it in. A tablespoon of rum for preservation. Preheat the oven. This is the final folding in, so I make sure I fold in everything properly. Everything is properly mixed together or folded in. I have greased a pan. To it, I'm going to add baking paper. Fill to like 3/4. Shake it, bake in the oven till it's brown and done. So this is ready to go in the oven. On, remove the parchment paper. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.